Okay, we are on lesson 3.1.4 and moving on to question number 3-36. So it says, when solving problem 3-35, you may have written a proportional equation that looks like the one below. When solving proportional situations, it's very important that parts be labeled to help you follow your work. So instead of starting with numbers, we start with labeling. So we've got George's nose and George's head together, then the student's nose and the student's head. So likewise, when working with geometric shapes, such as the similar triangles below, it is easier to explain which sides you are comparing by using notation that everyone understands. So that notation that they're talking about is down here. So letter A, one possible proportional equation for these triangles is side length BC over side length EF equals side length AB over side length DE. So that is, let's do those in blue. So BC and EF. And I'll make these red, just, whoops. Okay, so you're going to write at least 3 more proportional equations based on the similar triangles above. So this is a proportional equation here that we started with. You're going to write 3 more. Press pause, and then when you're done with at least 3 more of those equations, press play to move on. All right, so you should have at least 3 more proportional equations in your notebook. I'm going to give you one possible answer. If yours is different from this, that's okay. So we could put AC over AC over DF equals AB over DE. So that's just one possible answer of what one of yours could look like. So let's go on to letter B. Jeb noticed that the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle D. I'm going to mark these for you. So the measure of angle A is marked here with that tick mark. I'm going to color them red. Equals the measure of angle D. We've got one tick mark here, one tick mark there. And the measure of angle C equals measure of angle F. So you can see we've got 2 tick marks here and 2 tick marks there. But what about angle B and angle E? Do those angles have the same measure, or is there not enough information? Justify your conclusions. So write in your notebook your answer to that question. On the next slide, there will be some sentence starters that you can use if you want to, but you don't have to use them. So see if you can justify if they are the same measure or if you're not sure yet. Press pause, answer that, and then play when you're ready to move on.